What happened? Wait, did I survive the crash? Whatever, the airplane must be far, far away. I'm in a blizzard. Wait a minute, Craig, the barrel. And oh yeah, there's enough food to survive.
What's the fridge open? Fucking hell, Kratos. What? Hey, fucking hey.
Okay. Got the food to survive. I hope I will be able to survive this.